Sri Sai Satcharitra, Chapter 33. The link to the previous chapters 1 to chapter 32 is given in the description box. Greatness of Udi, Holy Ash, Scorpion Sting and Plague Cases Cured, Jamner Miracle and Experiences of Various Devotees. It is well known that Baba always collected dakshina, which he used to purchase fuel for dhuni, the sacred fire which he kept ever burning. The ash from the dhuni was called Udi and was freely distributed to devotees on their departure from Shirdi. Baba also taught his devotees by this Udi that sooner or later our bodies will be reduced to ash. The Udi teaches us that universe is ephemeral. No one in this world is really ours. We come alone and we have to go from here alone. Besides having spiritual significance, Udi has found to cure many physical and mental maladies. It conferred health, prosperity and many other worldly gains. Once Narayan Raw's friend was stung by a scorpion. The pain was severe. Since no Udi was available, he stood in front of Sai Baba's picture, invoked his aid and took a pinch of ash of the joss stick burning in front of Baba's picture and applied it on the wound. The pain subsided and both the persons were happy. Once a devotee's daughter was down with bubonic plague. He sent word to Nana Sahib Chandolkar, who was then travelling, to send Udi. Having no Udi with him, Nana picked up some dust on the road, meditated on Sai Baba and applied the same on his wife's forehead. The health of the devotee's daughter began to improve the moment Nana Sahib invoked Baba's aid. Once Nana Sahib was posted in Jamner, which was more than 100 miles away from Shirdi. His daughter was due to deliver a child but was in serious health condition. All-knowing Baba called Ramgir Bua, a devotee who was to travel in the same direction, and told him to give Udi and a copy of Arati to Nana Sahib. But Ramgir Buha did not have enough money to reach Jamner. With full faith in Baba, he started and reached Jalgaon, wondering how to proceed. A man with a tonga called on to Ramgir Bua, gave him refreshments, made him board his tonga and rode as fast as the wind, reaching Jamner by dawn. Ramgir Bua hurried to Nana's house with the Udi. After Udi was given to the daughter, she had a safe delivery. When Ramgir Bua thanked Nana for the tonga and refreshments, it turned out Nana was not aware that anybody was coming from Shirdi and had not sent any tonga. They found that the person with the tonga had vanished. This story of timely help by Sai is called as Sai Baba's Jamner miracle. Narayan Raw, a great devotee of Sai Baba, got very sick within 1 year of Baba's Mahasamadhi. No remedy helped. He meditated on Baba night and day. Sai appeared in a dream and told him he would recover in a week. Narayan Rao recovered and understood Baba is always at the side of his devotees even after Mahasamadhi. Balabua Sutar, a saint from Mumbai, came to Shirdi and bowed before Sai. Baba said, "I know this man from 4 years." Balabua was surprised as this was his first trip to Shirdi. Then he recollected having bowed before Sai Baba's portrait 4 years ago. This shows that saints are omniscient. Bowing to a photo is equivalent to seeing them in person. Hari Bau Karnik came to Shirdi on Guru Paurnima day. After offering dakshina, he turned to leave. He felt he should have given more dakshina but was told not to turn back after taking leave of Sai. When he reached Nasik, a saint at a temple asked him for exactly the same amount he wanted to give at Shirdi. To conclude, donation of any kind to any saint gives the same merit. All saints are one and they work in unison. Om Sai Ram.